Welcome to my YouTube channel. The 2025 Honda Metropolitan is an exciting new scooter designed for those who want a fun, efficient, and stylish way to get around. This scooter has a lot to offer, whether you're a first-time rider or someone who's been on two wheels for years. With its compact size, the Honda Metropolitan is perfect for city commuting, running errands, or just cruising around the neighborhood. It stands out with its sleek and modern design, available in several cool colors that appeal to a wide range of riders. One of the standout features of the 2025 Honda Metropolitan is its fuel efficiency. The scooter is powered by a 49cc engine, which makes it perfect for city driving. It's not only light and easy to handle, but it also goes a long way on just a small amount of fuel. This makes it an ideal option for anyone looking to save money on gas while helping the environment. The engine is smooth and quiet, providing a pleasant ride, and the scooter is very easy to maintain, meaning you won't have to spend a lot of time or money on upkeep. When it comes to comfort, the Honda Metropolitan doesn't disappoint. It has a comfortable seat that's designed to keep you relaxed during longer rides. The scooter also features a spacious under-seat storage area where you can store your helmet, a grocery bag, or other small items. This extra storage is one of the reasons why the Metropolitan is so practical for everyday use. Whether you're grabbing a quick bite to eat or heading to the store, it's the kind of scooter that lets you carry your essentials with you. Another great feature is its user-friendly dashboard. The 2025 Honda Metropolitan comes with a simple digital display that shows your speed, fuel level, and other important information in a clear and easy-to-read format. This helps you stay informed and keep track of your scooter's performance while riding. Plus, the scooter is designed to be low maintenance, with features like automatic transmission, which means you don't have to worry about shifting gears, just twist the throttle and go. For those who are new to scooters, the 2025 Honda Metropolitan is a fantastic option. It's not only easy to ride but also very safe. It has a solid frame and reliable brakes, making it a safe choice for beginners. The scooter's lightweight and low seat height make it easy for most riders to feel comfortable and confident on the road. Whether you're riding around town or heading to work, the Honda Metropolitan offers a fun and safe experience. Overall, the 2025 Honda Metropolitan is a great scooter that blends style, efficiency, and practicality. It's perfect for anyone looking to enjoy a hassle-free ride that's both eco-friendly and economical. With its modern design, ease of use, and thoughtful features, it's a scooter that's sure to appeal to riders of all ages.